If you've ever opened a Microsoft Word document and noticed that the paragraphs look too far apart, too cramped, or just a little inconsistent, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to adjust the space between paragraphs in Microsoft Word in just a few clicks. This is a simple formatting change, but it can make your documents look much cleaner, more professional, and much easier to read. Whether you're working on a report, an essay, a proposal, or any other document, knowing how to control paragraph spacing is a really useful word skill. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Microsoft Word tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your document in Microsoft Word and highlight the text where you want to adjust the spacing. If you want to change the spacing for the whole document, you can select all of the text. If you only want to change a specific section, just highlight that part instead. Once your text is selected, go up to the Home tab at the top of the screen. This is where most of the basic formatting tools are located, including font, alignment, and spacing options. On the Home tab, look for the line and paragraph spacing button. It usually appears as an icon with horizontal lines and arrows, and it's located in the paragraph section of the ribbon. Click that button and a drop-down menu will appear with several spacing options. From that menu, select Add Space Before Paragraph or Remove Space After Paragraph, depending on the look you want. If your paragraphs feel too close together, adding space before or after a paragraph can make the text easier to scan. If the spacing feels too large, removing extra space will tighten everything up and make the document look more compact. The exact option you choose depends on whether you want more breathing room or a cleaner, tighter layout. In many cases, you may need to click the option more than once or apply it to the full selection until the paragraph spacing looks the way you want. After you make the adjustment, take a moment to review the document and make sure the spacing is consistent throughout. This is especially important if you're editing a longer document because inconsistent spacing can make it look unprofessional. If needed, you can repeat the same process in other sections until everything matches, and that's really all there is to it. You've now learned how to adjust the space between paragraphs in Microsoft Word using the built-in spacing controls on the Home tab. It only takes a few seconds, but it can make a big difference in the appearance of your document. If this tutorial saved you time, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy word tips and computer how-tos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.